Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, I got yet another strange one for you today. As you can tell by the weird container, it's from Kershaw. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to show you exactly what came in there. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for finding this video and giving it a look. I know there's lots of other options out there and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you first time guys and you long time viewers who have yet to subscribe, look down below in the corners. It's going to be in one of those corners. There's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. That's where you're just going to need to hover over, should pull up subscribe. Alright. Knock it out the way early, and you ain't got to worry about it for the rest of the day. Now, I know, you guys clicked on the thumbnail, you already know that we're going to take a look at Kershaw's ration tool, the extra large. And the official little designation on the end is 1145 Golf Romeo November X-Ray, which basically means green extra large. Alright, now a little bit ago, we brought its little baby brother to the channel. This one's a lot bigger. Look up top, by the way. You're going to see the review for this and a bunch of other wonderful gear sitting in there. That'll be a little card that I'm going to leave up there in just a moment. Now, here we go. This is the Kershaw Ration Tool Extra Large. It comes in a spring green color. And yes, you guys can hear the cuteness factor playing in the background. She's having a little bit of fun today. Now, I got this in the latest Poor Man's Preparing Prep box. It's the March 2019. If you're curious about PMP boxes and all the really cool gear that came in there, look up top. You're going to see a little card pop up there that has every single PMP prep box. Take a look at that, come on back, and make sure you finish this video. Alright, now on Kershaw's website, basically it says it has all the exact same tools as the original, which it does. Okay, got your fork, got your bottle opener, got a spoon, and got a little carabiner attachment. Just like the original, only in a lot shorter area. Now, it is made from 3CR13 steel, and they say it does have a food-safe coating on the top. It's got an overall length of about 7.3 inches, or for my British cousins, 18.6 centimeters. It's 2.1 ounces, or for you Brits, 60 grams. I can't find anywhere between Amazon and Kershaw where it says if it's dishwasher safe. So I'll be honest, I'm going to run it through, a couple dozen times over the weekend, and I'm going to see what happens. Normally, I don't like to put things in the dishwasher if I can't figure out if they're dishwasher safe or not. Just because, well, on this channel, you know we love our sporks. I mean, it's sporking unreal. How many sporks we've been sporking? Sorry, I had to get those spork jokes out. They just kind of write themselves. The one huge issue I have with this, okay, it's not on Kershaw's website. I found it on Amazon. Sure, let me give you help. I'll get back to that in just a second. The cuteness factor needs help with her Paw Patrol toys. And of course, they make these little pegs for these damn dogs so hard to get in the little holes. Yes, I know. Getting a peg in the hole. Go ahead, have your adult humor. Some bitch, Brianna. See?
It's a Mission Paul Rocky.
I know, it's a Mission Paul Rocky. Okay, like I was saying, big huge problem I had with this one, and I found it on Amazon where they're putting the little blips. They call it a gender-neutral spork. No, the video didn't freeze. I'm having a stroke, as I just said that. Can we get honest here for a second? Have we become so stupid as a society that a spork is now offensive to male or females or bis or tris or, I can't keep up with all the different designations. I can't. It's a God-blessed spork.
In this video?
What, baby?
I'm not in.
No, you're going to be in another one. Back up. Seriously. They had to put on there. It's on Amazon, guys. as of, I should say, March 7th, 2019, it was in the description on Amazon that it said gender-neutral spork. Is that offensive to stab things, scoop things, open a beverage of your choice, and attach it somewhere? I don't know, does a bee blast finish trigger somebody so they had to make it, you know, spring green? Anywho, enough of that. Back to normal.
And I'm going to do that second bale over there.
Okay, you go do that one. Just hang on. We're going to wrap this one up, okay? Now, here's the weird part. On Kershaw, this is $11.54 with 0 reviews. On Amazon, it's an add-on item at $5.04 with exactly 0 reviews. I like the fact it's metal. I like the fact it's bigger than this one, so when I'm trying to use the fork, I'm not doing gorilla hands trying to feed myself. You know, I got a bit more of an area where I can do things. Kind of cool. But it's a spork. It serves its purpose. It gets food in your pie hole. But, you know, with that being said, I don't know, this is what, our 8th spork review? And I got one more to do after this one, too. You can thank Jason at Poor Man's Preparing for that one. And this one, too.
Yes.
Hashtag blame Jason. All right, so I want to hear questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, man, everything down below. I know I probably triggered someone with that gender-neutral spork thing. I can't make it up. It's out there on Amazon. Gender-neutral. A spork! So, for you first-time viewers of the channel who are still watching, I am so sorry for this video. I kind of am. I was fine with doing the sporks, making the usual jokes, until I saw gender-neutral. And that just... Do you see the vein? But with that being said, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart once again for finding this video and watching it. I know it's a very strange one because I've never had an aneurysm reviewing a spork before. Guess there's a first time for everything on YouTube, huh? Just part of the fun of this channel. But anywho, so for your first time viewers and you long time guys who did not do it at the beginning of the video, look down below. It's going to be one of the 2 corners. Going to be a bigger channel symbol popping up. Click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. And after you've subscribed, go ahead and click the bell icon that's right next to it. That way, well, okay. Frazzled. My God. Why should you click the bell icon? There you go. Because this can notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 of them are going to be popping up on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Seriously, guys, I can't apologize enough. Just gender neutral sent me over the edge with this. It's a God-blessed spork. Anywho, thank you so much for watching this really insane review on a spork, and I hope you have a great day today.